Now, let's say you're just super busy. You have no time to tap, to stretch, to massage. A passive way that I like. Hi, I'm Jenny Lu. In this video, we're going to go over a few simple techniques to help reduce neck and shoulder pain. We're going to stretch and strengthen the area. Make sure to stay until the end of the video to also learn some prevention tips. You can practice on your yoga mat, or if you need to, on a chair can also work. Let's get started. Let's first help to release the tension from neck and shoulders by stretching them out. So when you're ready, you're going to start to slowly raise your shoulders all the way up to your ears. Imagine all the stress are right up here. So you're going to squeeze shoulders up to your ears, and then when you're ready, open the chest and exhale out to release all of that stress. A lot of times stress is actually the cause for neck and shoulder pain. Okay, so inhale on your way out. Exhale, open the chest on your way down. You can also just let out an audible sigh. So I'm going to turn to my side. You don't have to. So with this one, we're actually moving our spine too a little bit. Open the chest, inhale. Shoulders, shoulder blades, you can feel them getting closer on the back on your way down. Rounding the spine slowly, making a beautiful letter C. Inhale, open the chest, exhale, down. Okay, do that again. Breathing in and breathing out. Yeah, release tension. And then you're going to reverse it. So shoulder blades come close together as if you're trying to squeeze a pencil, and then raise the shoulders again. Okay, here we go. We're going to squeeze the tension and stress all the way up to the shoulders. And then you're going to go down on the front, exhale down. Inhale on your way up. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Feel the collarbones, feel your shoulder blades. Exhaling on your way down. So release the tight muscles that connects the neck to the shoulders, and taking your time breathing in and breathing out. So feel your upper back. Okay, so now we can stretch a little bit now that they're a little looser. So you're gonna keep your back straight, and if you're seated, make sure your back is tall. You could be on the chair, you could even be doing this standing, so just make sure you're comfortable. Okay, so chin tuck first, tuck down to your chest. You're just going to start to rock your head from one shoulder to the other. So just take your right ear to the right shoulder. We're a mirror image of each other. And then left ear to the left shoulder. If you don't coordinate with your breath, inhale one side. Exhale the other works. Or inhale center. Exhale to the side. Whatever that feels comfortable. Taking your time, slowly coming back up. Right, so your neck straight as much as you can, reaching up to the sky through the crown of your head. Now we're going to just rotate. So shoulders away from the ears. Slowly, when you're ready, you're going to look over your left shoulder, keeping your neck straight. So we're stretching, twisting all 7 cervical vertebrae. Slowly back center. You can inhale in the center, exhale to the side. You can go slow, especially if you can feel the tension, the tightness. Don't overdo it. You want to be able to feel the stretch. And then when you meet the discomfort, breathe out. Coming back to the center, inhale, exhale. Gentle smile always helps. Release those endorphins, the natural painkillers. Yeah, just keep relaxing the shoulders away from the ears. We're lengthening the big muscle that connects the neck to the top of the shoulders, your upper trapezius. Okay, coming back. And we're going to just do the lateral stretches. So again, your spine upright. If you want to switch across of your legs, just even out the hip joints, you can. And when you're ready, inhale center to your lower abdomen. When you exhale, left ear to your left shoulder, taking your time. Yeah, just feel it out. Or you're just going to give it a little help. So you're going to raise your left hand, putting the hand on the right side of your head, right above your ear. So open your shoulder a little bit, your elbow, and the other hand is going to go reach. Yeah, so away from you on the mat. If you're seated on the chair, grab the bottom of your chair, the back of your chair, whatever that works. So breathing into your belly one more time. We're just going to deepen the stretch by gently, just give it a little help. So left ear to the left shoulder. Smiling, inhale and exhale. Very good. So if you feel a spot that feels a little tense, just send healing energy to that spot and letting your arms relax. Again, shoulders away from the ears, and just gently relax your right ear to your right shoulder. So feel the space you're creating on the left side of the shoulder, and then you're going to help it a little bit. Right hand on the left side of your head, right above your ear, so the opposite side. You can reach your fingers away. So the key is to actually keep your torso fairly upright, and then try not to raise your shoulder. So just keep relaxing the shoulder. We want to loosen up the muscle around here. Good. Breathing in to your core, breathing out. If you feel very comfortable, you can actually close your eyes. So really put your mind to where you're stretching, that area you're stretching, sending healing energy. Inhale and exhale. Very good. Slowly coming back to the center, and you can just kind of wiggle out, readjust again, taking your time, sitting up tall, and we're going to keep going. So interlace your fingers right here, bringing your hands behind your head. So we're going to strengthen this area in addition to stretching. So taking your time, you're going to slowly lean your head into your hands, keeping your chest open. So feel the stretch in your chest, and also feel your upper back. So you're going to look skyward about 45 degrees. Okay, slowly coming back, and then just let your spine be neutral, tucking your chin down, relax your elbows, don't put too much weight on them, and just start to slowly look to the left knee and then the right knee, and feeling the stretch on the back side of your neck, the diagonal, the muscle that pulls to the top of the shoulders, your upper traps. Okay, so coming back again, sitting up tall, and you can just face the same side. I'm just going to turn that way you can see what I'm doing. Okay, and you're actually really extending your upper body. So feel maybe even your solar plexus, opening a little bit more your chest, your elbows out to the side, lean your head into the hands, feel the stretch. Imagine you're lunging on your favorite beach, on your beach chair. Good. When you exhale, you're going to slowly tuck your chin down, relaxing your elbows down. So again, don't put too much weight, maybe a little bit more compared to the last time. And just rocking your head over 45 degrees to the left and then the right. Okay, one more time. Right back to the center, and you're going to lean your head. So we are getting the upper back area, also your neck area, to be stronger. So you're resisting a little bit. I'm going to turn to face you. Okay, so keep going just for a little bit longer. So you look skyward, 45 degrees, lean your head into the hands. Smile on your face. We're making the muscles stronger in addition to being flexible. We need both for good posture. Okay, slowly coming back, and you can gently let your hands release down. You can also just kind of shrug your shoulders a little bit up and down. Letting go of tension from the area. Very good job. Now let's learn a few more ways to naturally reduce neck and shoulder pain. So I'm going to teach you a set of acupressure points that you can use to reduce the pain. So they're on the top of the shoulders. They're called shoulder well. They're gallbladder 21 acupressure points. So the only time I wouldn't recommend you to use these points is when you're pregnant, because they're very strong points to bring energy down. Okay, so if you're okay using these, how you're going to find the points is using one hand, go to the opposite shoulder. So the point is actually from the shoulder to the center, to the back side of your neck. So that's halfway. But if you're going to find it naturally, actually, it's just where you're holding tension. So it's like a big knot, right? So if you're finding it at the apex of the shoulder, little bit over, passing the midline over here. If it's this area you're kind of measuring, so just press. It's very easy to find. So you can massage, circular motion. You can also make a soft, gentle fist with the thumb side of your fist just in a tap. So the shoulder you're tapping, you're going to just relax. You can turn your head away, exhaling out, breathing out, smiling out, visualizing attention being tapped out of your shoulder. So this point is on the upper trapezius muscle. So you're going to sweep out, relax, going over to the other side. So soft, gentle fist. Again, finding the point. So naturally, it's usually the knotted area. Tap, exhaling out, release tension. Smiling on your face. You can just sweep out this way. Okay, so you can kind of relax, roll the shoulders out, and the other way is just very direct. So you're just going to use your fingers, 4 fingers, finding the 2 big muscle that supports your neck. You're going to make circular motion. So I'm going to go just turn around a little bit. So finding those 2 big muscle, you're going to just make circles all the way down from the base of your skull all the way to the top of your shoulder. So naturally you're going to meet those points again, those knots, right? Sometimes when they're so tense, they become like rocks, right? That's when the tense muscles are like calcified. So exhaling out, sending them some loving energy. You can also just grab the muscle, take a breath, inhale, exhale, to squeeze out tension, inhale, exhale, squeezing out tension, one more time, inhale, exhale. Okay, so just kind of massage. That's a really easy way to kind of release the tension over here, bring some relief, kind of release some of the stagnant energy. When neck and shoulder pain gets so bad sometimes, it really blocks the energy flow, and sometimes we get headaches. That really doesn't feel good. Now, let's say you're just super busy. You have no time to tap, to stretch, to massage. A passive way that I like is actually to use a hot pack. So a heating pack, there's so many different variations online. I will link the one I've been using for years in the description below. So this one just is full of like natural grains and some herbs like lavender. It's very calming and soothing. So you just pop this into the microwave for about 2 minutes and you put the heated pack on your shoulders, so it gets the upper back, the shoulders, and it gets a little bit of the back of the neck too. And it stays warm for about a good 20 minutes or so. So you're free to catch up on your deadline, your email, whatever you need to do. You can go about your house chores if you need to, and just let the heat help you to melt away some of the tension and release. And it's also a really good way to use, you could use this first and then you go ahead and do your massage and tapping. It's a really good way to just release tension. And so try it out and let me know how you like it. And then really, prevention is probably better than anything if we can to prevent it. It's really good. So neck and shoulder tension, a lot of times, we know it's caused by stress, but really oftentimes it's also posture. So most of us nowadays, because of our way of living, we have our devices in front of our faces a lot of times. You work with your computer, you're in meetings. So just make sure that your neck is in this neutral position, right? Neutral in the way that it maintains this natural curve. So your head is supported by your neck. But based on research, so for every 10 degrees we lean our head forward, so our normal 8 to 10 pound head, right? Think of a bowling ball. When you lean 10 degrees forward, you add another one. So add another 10 pounds, you do 10 degrees, another 10 pounds. So by the time your head is like here, right? Like sometimes we forget we were going like this. You tend to actually increase the tension for your neck and shoulders area to about 40 pounds. So that's called the 40-pound head. So just think of the tension that you feel by holding improper alignment. So make sure your workstation is propped up, so then it's eye level if you have to use a device instead of going this way, and also taking breaks to squeeze in some of the stretches that we did before in this video. Just help to loosen up the area so we don't get stagnant. Okay, so I hope you enjoy learning like this. So we went over stretching, strengthening technique, proper alignment, and also some self-healing techniques. And if you like learning like this with us, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell next to it so you get notified the next time I come out with a new video. I can't wait to see you next time.